What's up everybody, Brent for Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. It's going to be a short one today, but we're going to watch a dyno pull on this sweet looking, I call it Stormtrooper, 14 GT500. You know, the good old 5.8 Whipple supercharged E85, laying down over 800 raw horsepower. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Before we watch that dyno pull, let's go down and check it out. All right, this car is super cool, and I have Doug with me. We're going to go down and take a look, and I will put links in the description to this kit right here. It's the 3-liter Whipple. It's awesome. Doug, come down. What do we have on this to make over 800 of the tires? Well, the 3.0 pulley, 3-liter supercharger on E85, laying down over 20 pounds of boost, a set of 1050 injector dynamic injectors, return style fuel system, and a set of Cook's long tube headers. Stock cams. We'll talk about that in a minute. But that's pretty much it. Check out this dyno pull. All right, we're on our DynoJet rated SAE. Doug, come over and take a look at these numbers. 860 to the tires, 6,600 RPM. Love the torque, 723, peaking at 5,800. And this baby peaked at 21 pounds of boost. Back up for a second. I do want to show you something on the graph. Our peak horsepower, stock cams, 6,600, right around right here. And down here, that's about 19 pounds. Yes, we did hit 21. But we're not really getting any big gains beyond that. So a set of Detroit rocker cams would be my next step on a car like this. Probably get it around 900 of the tires. So E85, 3.0 pulley, killer car. If you have any questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. What something like this costs to get built, you simply email quote@brenspeed.com, and don't forget, open that description up. I'll have links to some of the parts we just talked about. Thanks so much for watching.